Hello everyone. So if you want to take a screenshot on your iPhone 12 Pro, first of all you gotta find your power button right here and your volume up button right here. So simply tap on them simultaneously, and as you see, the screenshot was made. You can click on the thumbnail, you can cross it, you can crop it, you can scale it, you can add some little details if you want, you can delete all of those details or delete the picture if you don't like it. Simply press delete the screenshot. Alright, so you've taken a screenshot, you like it, and you want to find it. Open up your photos, allow, continue. Yeah, I definitely need that, Apple. Press albums, and here you'll see your recent or your screenshots. So simply tap on your screenshots and you'll find all of it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.